In 2017, Travis VanderZanden founded Bird with a vision to transform urban mobility. Within months, Bird electric scooters became a ubiquitous sight on streets and an alternative to traditional transportation. The company faced challenges, including regulatory hurdles, but responded by increasing safety measures and working with city officials. Bird's model, a blend of convenience and eco-friendly travel, quickly resonated globally, achieving over 10 million rides within its first year. This rise highlights a shift in urban transportation preferences and underscores VanderZanden's pivotal role in promoting sustainable mobility solutions.